Here are some latest tech news for this month. Google rolls out anti-stalking feature for Android users. This new feature, called Unknown Tracker Alerts, will allow Android users to be notified if they are being tracked by an unknown AirTag or other Bluetooth tracking device. Airtel and Jio 5 grams now available in 8,000 plus Indian cities. These two major Indian telecom operators have now rolled out their 5 grams networks in over 8,000 cities across the country. This means that more and more people in India will now be able to experience the faster speeds and lower latency of 5 grams. Elon Musk rebrands Twitter as X. The world's richest man has announced that he is rebranding Twitter as X. This is just one of the many changes that Musk has made since he acquired the social media platform earlier this year. WhatsApp testing new safety tools to help users stay secure. The popular messaging app is testing a new set of safety features that are designed to help users stay safe. These features include the ability to report suspicious messages and the ability to block users who are sending unwanted messages. Meta's Horizon Worlds VR is getting a makeover with new games and features. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, is giving its VR platform Horizon Worlds a makeover. The company is adding new games, features, and social tools to the platform in an effort to make it more appealing to users. Intel CEO announces plan to build AI into every product the company makes. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger has announced that the company plans to build AI into every product we make. This means that Intel is looking to incorporate AI into its processors, chips, and other hardware products. After Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar may stop account sharing in India. Following in the footsteps of Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar is reportedly considering a plan to stop account sharing in India. This would mean that users would only be able to stream content on Disney Plus Hotstar if they are the account holder or if they have been given permission by the account holder. This new anti-stalking feature from Google will alert Android users about unknown AirTags. Google is rolling out a new safety feature called Unknown Tracker Alerts, which will allow Android users to be notified if they are being tracked by an unknown AirTag or other Bluetooth tracking device. Hackers are infecting Call of Duty players with a self-spreading malware. A new malware is targeting Call of Duty players and spreading itself to other players through the game's chat function. The malware, which is called BazaarLoader, can steal personal information and install other malware on infected devices. Intel's new AI model can help robots learn like humans. Intel has developed a new AI model called RT2 that can help robots learn like humans. The model is able to learn from its mistakes and adapt to new situations, which could make it more efficient and effective at completing tasks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.